Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm here to talk about percentages. You see, there are many different types of how you could use percentages. One of the four that I'm going to explain is writing percents as decimals and fractions. When a person writes a percentage as a fraction, all you have to think is that you could just move the percentage sign below the number, which then you could write it in I/B form. If you want to change the percentage into a decimal, you could take away the percent sign and move the decimal place to the right 2 times. For example, if you want to change the parent 35% into a fraction and decimal, the answer would become 35 over 100.35. Moving on, we have the discounts and commission. When you are trying to find the discount of some merchandise, and you see that it is on sale for 40% off and it says that the original price of the item is $10. What is the discount of the item? When you are trying to find the discount, you can see the percent discount and then you could look at the base money or the original price of the merchandise. This is how I do the calculations. I grab a calculator. Nah, I'm just joking. Just give me a paper and pen and I'll just start calculating. First you have to multiply the percent with the base price and then use that number and subtract that from the base money. That's how easy it is. Once you have the final answer, then it's the end of the problem. When you're calculating the commission, you use the formula P equals RB. When you use this formula, you can use an example of this. Last year Jonathan Stubbs received a commission of $18,000 on sales of appliances totaling $225,000. What was his rate of commission? You then plug in the numbers into the formula, which then you will get $18,000 equals 2 times 225,000. After you have moved all the number s, you should have got the answer 0.08, which then you would change it into percent form, which would become 8%. The next one is percent of change, where you use the formula P equals RB. In one example like this one, the selling price of a baseball glove was $32.50. After sales tax was added, the total cost was $33.80. What percent of the selling price was the tax? Once you did the calculations, you should have gotten 1.04, which would also equal to 104%. The last one is simple interest. Simple interest is when you use the formula I equals P or T. You could use this formula when you are calculating simple interest. In this problem, Martina Lopez deposits $11,500 in a 6-month savings certificate at County Bank. She can make no additional deposits to the certificate during the 6 months that is invested. At the end of 6 months, Martina will receive $603.75 in interest on her original deposit. What is the annual interest rate? The answer you should have got is 0.105, which then can be converted to 10.5%. Well, that's the end of the show. Bye. Credits given to Ben.